Georgia teachers and my dear friends. Good afternoon to everyone. I introduce about myself. My name is Jata Tajal. I am studying 9th class. My father name is Anil. Today I am speak about important topic POCSO Act. POCSO Act means the protection of children from the sexual offense. POCSO Act passed in India in 2012 to protect the children from sexual offense. A children below the age of 18 years, this law helps to action against the crimes like sexual assault, harassment, and using children in photography. The POCSO Act was sure that children are treated with due investigation and court process. Special courts to set up to handle and they quickly process the solve. If the someone search about the crimes, if their duty to report and they do not do, they can be punished. In 2019, the act was changed into the punishment stronger and include death for every serious crime. This law is very important because it gives safety and justice to children. In simple words, POCSO Act was a strong step by the government to protect the children, sure that grow into safety environment. Other topic is the progressive nation of the Beti Bachao. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is launched in the India in 2015. For centuries years, the girls denied education, freedom, and social imbalance like dislaying the child sex ratio. Recognize this challenge. The India launched Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao for protect girl child and promote education. However, saving girls were not off. Empower them is equal importance. Education transfers from the into a confident leaders and responsibility citizens. Histories gives power. Savitribai Phule fight for the girls' education. A meaningful fight says a nation cannot be off of the pollution left behind. A true development is possible with the girls and boys walk together with equal rights and opportunities. As students, we have a circular role to play. We must respect girls, raise your voice against from the discrimination and promote education for all. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is not just a slogan, it is a responsibility. Let us move from awareness to action and ensure brightness and more equal future for the India. Thank you, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. This given wonderful opportunity for me. Thank you to all.